End screens and cards are powerful tools YouTube creators use to keep their viewers engaged and have more interactions with their content. End screen usually appears at the final 5 to 20 seconds of a video, and this allows creators to promote other videos, playlists, other channels, and even encourage viewers to subscribe. They are a great way to build watch time and also guide your audience to more of your other contents. Cards, on the other hand, are interactive elements that pops up during the video itself. These can link to other videos, channels, playlists, and polls as well. Cards are perfect for suggesting other relevant contents at the right moment, keeping viewers interested and increasing channel engagement. Using end screen and cards strategically can help grow your channel, retain your viewers, and increase your overall performance on YouTube. So, would you like a step by step guide on how to add cards and end screen to your videos? Then this video is for you. So, guys, welcome back. You're going to go to your channel homepage. So, from your channel homepage, you're going to scroll down to YouTube Studio. Go to your YouTube Studio. Now, if you're using an Android phone, make sure you go to studio.youtube.com and make sure you use the desktop version so that you'll be able to edit your videos and input your end screen and card settings. Now, from here, I'm going to go to content. So from your content, you're going to choose any of your video you wish to add your end screen to. For this video, I'm going to be using my video, this particular one. I've not added it. So you're going to open that video. Now, when you open the video, you're going to scroll down to this point. So you can see your end screen and cards. Now, we're going to do that of the end screen first. Now, for your end screen, we have 6 different elements. 6 different elements that you can choose from. Now, the first element says import from latest video. You can import from your latest video. Then the next element here is one video, one subscriber, one subscribe. Then the next one here, you can input one playlist and one subscribe button. This one is 2 videos. You can put 2 videos. Then this particular one is one video, one playlist, and one video, one playlist, one subscribe button. This is the subscribe, and this is the playlist, and this is the video. So you can choose from any of these elements that you wish to add as your end screen. So I'd like to input this one that has one video, one playlist, and one subscribe button. This will give my viewers the ability to choose to watch any of my video or watch a playlist that I'm going to suggest in the end screen, and also to subscribe. So I'm going to click on this. So now this is it. This is the first video, and this is for the playlist, and this is the subscribe here. So you can see that the subscribe is already there. So for this video, you can either choose to allow YouTube choose the best video for your viewer, or you can do it yourself. So this is the video. Now YouTube will give you 3 options. The first option here is most recent upload. So automatically feature the most recently uploaded long form video. You can either choose this option, or you're going to choose, this is the next option, best for viewer. Allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit the viewer. And then the third option here is choose specific video. Select from your videos or from any video on YouTube. This particular one, you can either select from your channel or from another creator's channel. It's up to you, the choice is yours. But for me, I would like for YouTube to select a video from my channel that will best suit the viewer. So I'm going to leave this option ticked here. So this particular video now is a video that is best for my viewer, that I'm allowing YouTube to choose for me. So I'm going to move it up here. Now this is the playlist. For the playlist, you're going to click on it. When you click on it, you come here to the pencil mark. Now you're going to choose from your playlist which you want to add as the end screen. So I'm going to be adding this particular playlist. So now you can see that my playlist is here. Now I have one video that is best for viewer, I have one playlist already, and I have the subscribe. Now you can as well decide to add another element, but you cannot have more than 4 elements per video. So if you want to add another element, you come here, click on it. You can add another element as a video, as a playlist, or as a channel. So I'm going to add one more video. So this is it here. I'm going to move it from there. I'll bring it here because I'm going to use this part is where my card is going to display. The card is going to be displaying around this top corner, so I don't want my end screen element to disrupt the cards that is going to be displaying there later. So now we have another one. So you can allow YouTube to choose the most recent upload, but if not, you can decide to change. You click on it, you have to come and change the setting here. You come down here and click on it here. When that is done, you're going to choose by yourself which video you want to add as an element in that box. So I'm going to add this element, maybe this element, how to create a Gmail account. So now you see I have one element, another element, the playlist element, and then the subscribe. Now when this is done, all of these elements are going to appear towards the end of your video. Now when you are done adding the elements that you want to add, you are going to click on save. Please, you must have to click on save for all that you have done to be saved on that particular video. If you do not save, whatever you have done here is worthless because it's not going to display at the end of your video. So I'm going to click on save, and I'm saving it. Now my end screen is saved. So now moving on to cards. Now for cards, you can add a video, you can add playlist, you can add your channel or any other channel. So I'm going to be firstly adding a video. Now it is advisable to always have more than 3 or 4 cards on your video, so this will give your viewers more suggestions to your other videos. So I'm going to add the first video. I'm going to add this. Now I don't want my card displaying at the beginning of my video, so I'm going to move it. I'm going to hold it and move it away from your video. So I'm leaving it here. Now I can add another card. I come here. Now that I have my card here, you can have a custom message or a teaser text attached to it. Now if you can add a custom message like a subscribe for more. For your teaser text, you can also write the same thing, subscribe for more or please subscribe. But by the time you write your teaser text, whatever you write on your teaser text is what is going to display here. So the title of your video will not display here. Or for me, since it's optional, I prefer to leave the title of my video here because I want the viewer to know the type of video that is here, and because it could be of help to them, it could be something that they are looking for to watch. But by the time your teaser text is here, they will not be able to know the kind of video you have up there. So I'm going to leave it there. So then the next thing I'm going to add another video. What I do most times, I love to add up to like 4 videos and then 1 playlist. So okay, I'm going to add this video again, another card. So you're going to make sure you space them out. Okay, then I'm going to now I've added 2 videos. I'm going to add 1 playlist at the middle. So you click on it and then I'm adding this playlist. So you drag and move, and then I'm adding 2 more videos. I'm going to add this video, and then 1 more video. So I'm going to add 1 more video to it. Okay, I'm going to add this video. So I'm taking the video and then moving it all the way here. So now I have 5 cards on this particular video. Now if you click on this card, you're going to see it popping up here. So at this time of your video, at this particular time, 44 seconds, this card is going to display. At the next time, which is 1 minute 39 seconds, the next card is going to display. This is going to display at 2 minutes 30 seconds, just like that. At this timing, your cards are going to display. So when you are done adding all your cards, you are going to click on save. Now our end screens are saved and our cards are saved. Now how do you check this? I'm going to play this video for us to watch this video and see if these cards and end screen are going to display. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now this is the video. I'm just going to fast forward this video so that we can quickly get to the end screens and the cards. I want to show you where they are going to display on your video. Okay, so let's just wait and see, then I'll show you where the first one to the last is displaying. So now you can see our first card has displayed here. The first card has displayed. You can see this. This is the first card we added. Now it has displayed. So we're going to wait for the next one or up until we get to the last card. So if anybody is interested in that video, it's just for them to click on it and it will automatically take them to that video. Now see, the next card has appeared here. If I want to watch this video, it's just for me to simply click on it and it will take me straight to that particular video. This is the second card. So now the playlist card is what is going to display next, because that's what I added at the middle of the video. So you can see this is it. This is another card here. You can see this is another card. Another card is here. So if your viewers are watching your videos and this card pops up, it's just for them to click on it. Now you can see that your other videos are being recommended to your viewers. So now we're going to wait for the end screens to pop up. So now you can see, now you see that the end screens, now this particular one was the one that YouTube suggested for me. So this is a short video. Now this is the one I added. So you can see this is the playlist. This particular one is the playlist, and then this is the subscribe. Now if your viewers clicks on it, they are automatically going to subscribe to your channel. So you can see that this is how to add your end screen and your cards to your video. I hope you have found this tutorial very helpful. If you have, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified when I upload new video. So until I see you in my next video, it's bye for now.